In Jamaica, the term jacket refers to a child who is not biologically tied to the named father. Today, we reveal the truth. Welcome to Jacket Court.
All rise.
You may be seated. Thank you, bailiff. Today we are here to determine whether Mr. Cole is the biological father of Miss Thompson's 10-month-old son, Jamal. Mr. Cole is a first-generation Jamaican American born in the United States. He visited Jamaica to learn about his culture. While here, he met Miss Thompson and the two fell in love. After a few months, Miss Thompson discovered that she was pregnant and the couple was happy. That happiness was challenged when Miss Thompson's mother began casting doubt on whether Mr. Cole was the father. Miss Thompson has brought this case to court to settle once and for all whether Jamal is truly Mr. Cole's son. Miss Thompson, since you brought this case, why don't you start out by telling us how you two met?
Yes. Well, Your Honor, I want to say that me and Junior, we met and we fell in love instantly. I met him and I said, "Hello, sir." At first, I said, "Hello, sir." And, he's like, "Yes, ma'am. Hello." And, we looked in each other's eyes and it was just like a breath of fresh air, It was just like, wow. I meet this man and I fell in love with him already, I didn't even know him too much. I didn't even know his name at first, And I'm just like, wow.
So it was love at first sight.
Right. It was love at first sight.
Mr. Cole, did you feel the same way?
I did, and I feel like it was a little more smooth than that. But yeah, we hit it off, and I don't know what to say. I just can't seem to get out my mind.
And what is it about Miss Thompson that makes you get so flustered?
Well, I love his crown, I also have crown, my locks, and I just love that he's just like expresses his manly nature, and he's just strong, and he picked me up, and he made me feel like.
Pick you up?
Yes, he picked me up.
What do you mean by pick you up?
Like he lift me up.
Lift you up?
Yeah.
Like the spirit lift you up, right?
Right.
Okay.
He just made me feel like, his woman, and nobody else can take me.
So John couldn't take you?
No.
Okay.
Mrs. Thompson, you will have your turn.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, Judge.
Mr. Cole,
Yes, Judgy.
try again.
Yes, pardon me. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Cole, what are your intentions here in Jamaica? Because you're not from here, right?
Right. Well, like you mentioned, I did come to Jamaica just seeking to learn more about the culture and my roots, and just to get the vibe.
The vibe for my daughter.
Stop it.
So what that happened? Is that so wrong that two people met each other and fell in love for the first time? Like, I don't think so.
And what do you do in the United States?
Currently, I'm
What foot kickstone?
Mrs. Thompson?
Currently, as I was saying, I'm finishing my bachelor's degree in computer science right now. So,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay, and after you graduate, what are your plans?
Well, Your Honor, I plan on opening a startup tech business, probably somewhere in California, and see if we can get some seed investors to invest in a new product we've been developing for a few years now, but you know.
Miss Thompson, what are your intentions with Mr. Cole?
Yes, Your Honor. My intentions, I want to be with this man forever. I want to be in a relationship and get married.
Married who?
Excuse me, mother. I'm talking to the honor, the judge.
But married who?
Junior.
Junior who?
My man.
Man who?
My man.
Over my dead body.
Easy, mama, easy.
I was talking to my daughter, not you.
And I am talking to you.
Oh, sorry,
If you
ma'am.
interrupt one more time, we will have a problem.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Cole, you previously stated that you were planning on moving to California for your startup. How have you been feeling about your time here in Jamaica? Is this not suitable enough for you?
Well, Your Honor, I love the island. My family is from here. We still have property out here as well. I'm totally open to moving out here to spend time with Empress. But I think that it might be better if we made our way back to the States, where I'd be able to take care of us better as a family.
Mr. Cole, how do you feel like you can provide the same culture and community for your son Jamal in a foreign country?
Well, it's foreign to you guys, but it's not foreign to me. That's where I grew up. That's where I'm from. Like, there's a lot of help, a lot of opportunity. There's
Welfare?
there's room
Stop.
for growth there.
Okay. Now, Mrs. Thompson, we can finally come to you and you can speak in turn.
Oh, good.
My pick me that, you know.
Miss said that. Hey, who you talking to? Don't raise your voice.
Sir.
Would you